Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to reveal the top 9 plants that I always grow in my garden, no matter the season. These plants are easy to care for, super productive, and incredibly delicious. So grab your notebook and let's get into it. First up is the center cut squash from row 7 seeds. This unique variety is a hybrid between a summer squash and a winter squash. When it's young, it has a deep green color, firm flesh, and very little moisture, perfect for grilling or sauteing. As it matures, it turns rich orange, becomes sweeter, and stores just like a winter squash. Even better, the large leaves provide natural shade for delicate crops like arugula during hot summer days. The Cherokee Purple Tomato is an heirloom variety from Tennessee with a dark purplish brown hue and smoky sweet flavor. It's juicy, meaty, and adds serious flavor to salads, sandwiches, and sauces. This tomato thrives in a variety of climates and is a must-have for any home grower. With vibrant blue-green leaves and striking purple veins, dazzling blue kale is as beautiful as it is nutritious. It grows well in cold weather, resists pests, and stands out in any garden. Its flat leaves make it easier to spot and remove pests, too. Garlic is one of the most versatile crops you can grow. After harvesting, just dry it and trim the roots. It'll store for up to 9 months. It's essential in every kitchen and packed with health benefits. These tiny beak-shaped peppers are sweet, slightly spicy, and packed with flavor. Pequeño peppers are perfect for pickling, snacking, or making homemade sauces. The compact plants produce continuously, even into winter. These Italian pole beans have gorgeous purple pods, lavender flowers, and climbing vines that reach 6 to 8 feet tall. The pods turn green when cooked, but maintain a sweet and crisp flavor, a stunning and tasty addition to any trellis or fence. Gold Marie is a yellow Romano bean with flat pods, a crunchy texture, and a sweet flavor. These pole beans are super productive and easy to harvest, ideal for steaming, stir-frying, or eating fresh off the vine. Potatoes are a garden staple that provide a steady, filling harvest. Simply plant sprouted potatoes in the ground, keep the soil moist, and wait for the bounty. They're perfect for baking, frying, roasting, or mashing. Never underestimate the power of fresh herbs like basil, cilantro, dill, sage, and especially summer savories. Summer savory tastes like a mix of oregano, thyme, and basil, ideal for grilled meats, roasted veggies, and stews. Herbs grow well in containers and can be harvested almost year-round. Those were 9 amazing plants I always grow, and now you know why. Whether you're just starting your garden or looking to add something new, these plants offer flavor, beauty, and reliability. Got a favorite plant not on this list? Tell me in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more real tips from a real farmer.